Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tryph. Thanks for stopping by. If this is your first time of coming here, please do well to subscribe. Today guys, we are going to be learning how to pedal our machines, especially for beginners. Stay tuned guys, let's see how it goes. Welcome back guys. So now we have our machine right in front of us. So let's see how we can pedal our machine. First of all, as we talked about from our last video, this is our hand wheel. So what we do is to roll the hand wheel clockwise and not anti-clockwise. You see guys, the way you roll, as you roll your wheel, so your pedal rolls as well. So what you're going to do is just to place your legs and see whether the pedal is moving it backwards or to the front. So just pick it from there and start pedaling it. Start pedaling it. See, you can even move it faster and even slower. So it determines on the wheel. So now we've learned how to pedal, and what we're going to do is to learn how to use our machine to sew. First of all, we have our thread here. So we're just going to pass our thread to the tension. This is the upper tension, and we're going to pass it to what we call the lifter, and from the lifter there's what we call the thread guide. So you can take it through the thread guide and then through the needle. So here we go, it's already through the needle, and this is our reeler in the shuttle. So all you have to do is to insert your reeler into your shuttle, then take it out like this and put it into your bubbling case. So we're going to put it into our bubbling case this way, and you flip. All you have to do is just move your wheel once, and you see the down thread is out. So guys, we are ready to sew. So guys, here's our fabric and we're ready to sew. So all you have to do is to lift your lifter, which you use in lifting the presser foot, putting the fabric and bringing it down is all you have to do. Then you move your wheel, and here is the stitch regulator, which you can use in stitching your clothes, like your fabric, when you are about to sew it. So bring it down so it moves. When you take it up, is to reverse it and stitch. Move your wheel, and you see the way it's moving. Then you see the way it goes. Yes, we're sewing already. So now it's our oil. You need just a drop for all the holes in your machines, just the way you see me doing. You need just a drop of it in all the holes, including the faceplates. A drop, and here in the feed dog you also need to oil it. It helps your machine sound good. So guys, by now I know you've known how to use your sewing machines to sew. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Tryph.